Hey everyone, I realized after the last video that I did forget to do a little step. So to fix the teleport location, which is spawned up in the top right hand side, so it's offset from your controllers, what you want to do is you want to find this section of your code in the VR phone for movement access input, right dash teleport. And what we want to do is we want to change this motion controller right aim because it just doesn't seem to work for some reason. It just doesn't update the location based on the Vive controller. And no matter what I do, I can't get it to work. So what you want to do is you want to find the right controller, so the Wave VR controller model right, and you want to drag and drop that in and replace it. And then if you hit compile and save, you should be able to do a build. So if I'll save all, if you're in the template, then it'll work fine already. But if you're doing a build and you want to test it in the headset, you'll want to actually do that little change. Otherwise it'll all be offset and you won't be able to teleport as easily. So very quick video. Hope that helped. I'll link that below. So yeah.